How painful is airsoft?
I'm Bilu.
I'm Jay. Hey,
It's pain day.
please like and subscribe to our channel.
For free pie.
Do not do this at home. We're trained professionals and we researched this topic thoroughly. You shouldn't play with airsoft guns the way we're about to.
And most importantly, we have our eye protection.
If you do play airsoft, just make sure you're following the proper rules and don't be nuts like us.
What is the pain science?
Airsoft was first invented in Japan in the mid-1970s.
Whoa, you're gonna shoot someone's eye out, but not mine. The average airsoft gun shoots BBs anywhere from 200 to 400 FPS.
All right, let's go shoot ourselves with some airsoft, find out how painful this is.
I'm guessing pretty painful. So we just filmed the spanking video, and so our bums are still pretty tender. So that's what we're gonna shoot first, our bums.
I'm shooting this video. I'm shooting this gun. Double shooter.
That's probably the dumbest thing I've ever heard. Oh. Ow! That stings, oh yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you got the same spot. Ouch. That's like a 2, maybe 2.5. It bites real bad. Shoot me!
Ow! Ow! That's a little stinger. That hurts.
It bites,
yeah.
for sure.
That actually hurts more than I thought it was going to.
Yeah.
Now what? Belly?
Yeah. It's gonna hurt. Oh! Ouch! Oh yeah, that stings. Oh man. Yeah. All right, Jay. Here comes your belly shot. Ah!
It hurts.
I know.
That's gonna hurt in the face so bad.
I know.
That's gonna hurt the face like bad. Oh.
Spoiler alert, we're shooting ourselves in the face.
Oh. All right, it's time to find out what's the most painful. The neck, the ear, or just straight on face.
Jay's going first. I'm gonna shoot him in the neck first. Then he's gonna take it to the ear, then the face. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, you got my face! Yeah, you got my cheek. Wait, I now know what it's like to get hit. Well, it's like my jawbone. Hit me like my jawbone. Hit my neck now.
All right, see if Bilu has some better aim here. 3, 2, 1.
Same exact spot!
It shoots high, I'm sorry. I know now to aim low.
Same exact spot! Holy cow!
Really? Like
legit the same spot! Hit my neck!
Okay.
Aim for like right here.
Okay, third time's a charm. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh gosh!
I'm trying to decide what hurts more now. Okay, I think this is gonna hurt the most. Go this here.
Okay.
Don't shoot my eardrum though.
Try not to. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, dude. Dude. Bro, are you good? Oh.
Know which one was the most painful?
Oh my gosh. Shoot. Describe it, Jay.
Oh my god. Holy cow. That hurt so bad. I can't believe how bad that hurt. Dude, I heard it ring too. Remember when you slapped my ear?
Yeah.
I just heard that same ring.
Sound.
Oh my.
Oh. Dude, as soon as that hit, I was like, oh my goodness.
I was almost wondering if you could hear the ring.
What was that?
Dude, that's pretty reminiscent of the spank.
Really?
Yeah. That hurts so bad.
Okay, you took face, neck, and ear. It's my turn now.
That hurts so bad.
Oh, dang it. Dude, I don't want to go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Set. Go.
It's stuck to my neck. Ow!
Oh, dude, I saw that in your neck, and I'm like, what have I done? Artery killed my co-host.
Oh my gosh. Okay,
Face.
do face. Okay, do not hit my
I can't hit your eyes.
Okay. Ow! Ow, my cheek! Oh! Oh, that hurts too. All right. Through the ear. Now it's time for the ear. Ear shot for Bilu.
Maybe you should get closer.
It's gonna hurt.
Okay.
Just don't miss. Remember, it shoots high. Oh! Ow! Oh, the ringing. Ouch! Yeah, the ringing. Oh, that really hurts, dude. Yeah, that ringing. Oh, it's numb. Oh man,
That piece that stuck into your neck was the greatest.
it's like I was like, is it still? And I felt it. It dropped. I was like,
See this? Oh, dude, that is a swell welt.
is it?
Wow.
Oh
Dude, your
gosh.
cheek too.
See like where you
You're
got
swelling up on your cheek.
where I got hit up here. Did you see it all? It like hit the top of my ear and like my head.
So I thought that was gonna be nothing. Once again, sometimes it's funny how this works
I
out.
know.
Like sometimes things don't hurt near as bad as we think they are.
Exactly.
Like fish hook.
Exactly.
But then sometimes things like this today happen.
I think it's because we're pain rankers. We're like, oh, we're starting to get used to this. And then pain. It still hurts every time.
All right, we're out in the boonies in the wilderness without our pain ranker boards because,
Well, Jay forgot them. Jay forgot the boards. Hey, anyway.
you tell us, who do you believe? Which one of us forgot the boards? Let us know in the comment below.
Jay totally forgot the boards.
It was,
Look at him.
don't listen.
Jay forgets things. What's your middle name, Jay?
Okay, ready? Set.
You don't know, that's why.
Okay.
Okay.
We're about to reveal our rankings in 3,
2.
1.
Whoa! Look at that.
Dang!
Big difference there. I'm pretty sure that 5'3" was all in his
That
ear.
ear killed
Look,
me.
dude, here. Look at that ear shot. It's like a blood circle, dude. Holy cow.
All right, well, that's our ranking. Now you know how bad does Airsoft hurt.
To your neck base.
In the belly, you know, it's like a 2.5.
2.5, right.